In this video, we are going to fix the 0x80240037 error message to Windows Update. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane. Please find for an option called System. Click on it. And under the system, you need to scroll down and locate for an option which is the troubleshoot. So scroll down and locate for it. And there we have it. We have seen this the list of the option. Please proceed to other troubleshooter and afterwards you'll see this most frequent and under it you can see their Windows Update. So run the troubleshooter for Windows Update and the moment you have done the process, check if it's working. Okay, run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution. But before that, I want you to copy the code that I have given at the YouTube description. It is a code that will reset Windows Update components. Once you have opened it, okay? So once you have copied it, you need to paste it here at the notepad. And from that, you need to proceed to the solution and that is to go with the file, go with the saved as, and then please rename that, okay? So please put anything, any name that you can, that you would like to. In my case, I would want to go with wfix. Then once you have named it, please make sure that you have added an extension for that bat, okay? That BAT. Please proceed to the location where you want it to be saved. I would suggest to save it to the desktop and then click on saved and then close this window and wait until you can create that path file. Okay? So if you have if it's not being saved here at the desktop, you just have to navigate it there. Go with the desktop. Okay. And there you can see it. Please make a right click and then you need to go with run as administrator. Okay. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this as an administrator. The moment you do it, wait until the procedure would be finished. Okay, you would be redirected to the command prompt system where here you can run all of those commands that will help you to reset Windows Update components. Okay, once you are done with this, okay, you need to check so that you'd be able to, check if the problem has been fixed. Try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.